Okay guys, this is the second part of a tour of the Discord, and this one is basically about the videos that's inside it and how to pan away around it. So let's have a quick look, because this was requested. Now, we did a quick tour of what the water cooler is. This is basically where you have a bit of a chat. These two areas here are live chat rooms where you can go face to face with everybody. Go into your trader talk. There's all the different disciplines, whether it's savings, day trading, scalping, prop, you name it, it's in there. You've got the clinic, which is where I spend my time. They ask me questions, a little bit like what they've done today. Put my market updates. If they ask me to track something, I'll do it. I'll do write-ups of breakups so they can see exactly how trades are done. And it's all done on request. But here is where the heart and soul of what this is, because everything is based on your own learning path and how you get there. Now, I've tried to break it up into as many categories as I can to make it easy. So the first one, and the main one, is the way of the scruff. Now, these modules, as you can see, there's quite a few of them, is all the way that I trade personally. All the little bits and pieces that I look at. Now, if you sign into the BlackBull, you'll see they're available to you as well. Okay. Now, the Trader Clinic, all the questions that are asked now, some are random and they're meaningful to somebody. So I take the time to answer it. Up to now, I'm up to 329 different queries that are in here. So if you don't know what madness is, you'll find it in there. If you don't understand certain psychology, a certain trigger point, why you do a 5-candle count back, in this case about patience and rushing in on a trade, just because you see an element there doesn't make you say you've got to go to the market. It's a little bit like trends. If you think about a trend in the point of view of an ocean, the ocean has a tide. The tide is the trend, but you'll see the waves on a beach going backwards and forwards like this, the ripples. So even though it's pulling away from you, the tide will still push it back. These are things that you need to be fully aware of. And they're the sort of questions that are answered in there. Market call. This is where we're all live, because I'll go live with the guys, and I do this pretty much every weekday. Coffee with Scruff. It's all my monologues and what I talk about throughout the week. So they're all there. Various interviews that I've been in, or interviews that I'm given. I'm in another one later on this month with the main man, Steve Ruffley, but this time he's interviewing me rather than me interviewing Steve. There's the golden eye strategy. There is the red light, green light strategy, box theory, river, push, all very easy strategies to follow. Then you've got your small account, how to build them up, take little money into big money, and it's all done for the guys. How to trade prop, how madness works, you know, because madness is a big thing and it really does make you money. Foundation trading, this is quick snapshots, different live streams that I've been in. Full breakdown, where I take you from the start to the finish and I show it in real time, so you can see everything from what's running through my mind, what's happening at the time. You see them there. Every markup I've done, so you can compare mine with yours. We are running Bitcoin at the moment. We're doing quite well with that, so it has its own little thing. And then there's the how-tos, etc. You know, how to fill your journals in. So, and then general is just what you see publicly. There's also a section of it there as well. Okay. Now, the idea of that video catalog is it's all in one place. And whatever it is that you're after, you should easily be able to find it there. And if not, you can always ask the guys and say, when you've been surfing about, did you see a video that did this? And the chances are one of them did, and they'll post the link up and point you in the right direction. So that's the video library. There's quite a lot to it, which is why I broke up the Discord into 2 parts. Check it out. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.